All right, Happy New Year, and thanks for joining me today on my channel. This is my investment challenge for 2025, and I'm going to be taking my $139 account, and I'm going to be growing it to see how much I can do that. And I'm going to be putting in $23 a month with $1 trades every day to try and get those swing trades and hopefully build it up to a certain level that I'm going to be able to expand this dividend portfolio account that I've started. Now, before we get started, go ahead and subscribe and like so you can follow along in this series. I'm going to do this series the entire year so you can see where I'm starting at $139 with my account, adding $23 a month, doing daily trades. And am I going to end up positive or negative? You definitely want to subscribe and like so you can follow along. So I've kind of set up 3 levels of goals. And of course, level 1, I'm hoping to make over 10% or take my account from 139. But at level 1, I want to be over $460. So it's roughly about a 10% growth over the year. Level 2 is 60% or about 5% a month, over $860. Now, level 3 is 120%. It should put me over $1,000 in my account. Just a little side note here. I'm going to be doing this with my WealthSimple account. I do have a link below for WealthSimple, and the reason I do that is because I use WealthSimple because it's easy and I don't pay fees. So the small dollar amount I'm using, I'm not getting rid of any of the gains I have or paying extra money for any fees that come along. So I do recommend it, like, for easy use and for not paying fees. If you decide to go with it, you and I get the same reward. Make sure when you sign up that it's right for you, and whoever you do go for is the right online broker to fit your needs. Before I go into the next part, I'm not an advisor as well. So please, if you're going to use any of this for your own portfolio, make sure you do your own research. All right, so how am I going to get this done? Okay, so I'm only going to be trading Canadian dividend stocks. Now, I'm only going to buy $1 a day until my cash holding says you can do $2 a day or $5 a day or $10 a day, mostly on swing trades. So I'm not going to have enough time to do day trading per se, and I'm not really a day trader. My goal is to kind of get a stock that goes down, get a bounce, and maybe get a 5 to 10% change over a shorter period of time. So that's kind of the goal, more of a swing trade kind of idea. But again, I'm using dividend stocks, so it is more about how do I build up my portfolio faster, and how can I somehow take this challenge and grow that money on a larger, quicker basis so that I set up my portfolio to have a substantial amount of money where the dividends start to actually accumulate in a way that could actually support me. Because right now, I'm only getting pennies. All right, so that's my dividend challenge. I hope you are going to subscribe and like and follow along. I'm going to be doing daily videos to show you the trades. I'm going to be showing you what the biggest gains are. I'm going to show you what my weekly ups and downs are. Show you what the best stocks were for the week. I'm going to show you what the best ones are for the month. And at the end of the year, I'm going to tell you how I did with my goals. So, yeah, be a little bit interesting to see how that works out. It might be a total failure, but I'm going to give it a go, and I'm going to share it with you. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you for the next video. Have a great day.